Do you know every aircraft you see, every satellite in space, every drone in the air is no longer driven by engineering alone. Today, artificial intelligence has become mind behind modern aerospace systems. That's why Chandigarh University Uttar Pradesh offers North India's premier AI-integrated B.Tech Aerospace Engineering program designed for a new aerospace era. Let's take a closer look at how this program shapes future aerospace professionals.
With 30% AI integration and 50% experiential learning, the cutting-edge curriculum ensures that students learn how aerospace engineering and artificial intelligence work together. They design, optimize, and test aircraft using advanced digital tools and intelligent systems. They train on platforms like MATLAB, Simulink, Cassia, ANSYS Fluent, OpenFOAM, along with machine learning and digital twin technologies. What truly sets the program apart are laboratories built around real aerospace challenges faced by the global industry. Work in AeroAI simulation labs, digital twin and sensor labs, autonomous UAV test zones, and train in AI-driven air traffic control suites and space analytics and orbital labs. Study autonomous flight, air traffic optimization, sustainable aviation, and space systems. All connects directly with industry needs and prepares students for successful careers in aerospace engineering.
North India's premier AI-integrated B.Tech Aerospace Engineering program prepares minds behind aircraft, satellites, and drones of tomorrow. This is the place for you to build.